Hey YouTube, welcome to another fingerstyle ukulele tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to play House of Gold by 21 Pilots. But before we begin, go to fingerstyleukuleletabs.com to grab your tab sheet so you can accelerate your learning. Alright, let's jump in. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button, become a subscriber, because these tutorials are awesome and they're not stopping. So grab the tab sheet, fingerstyleukuleletabs.com. Meet me back here and we'll learn another one later. Alright, we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.